Shark Sweet Z here, and let me show you this super simple YouTube thumbnail generator. I'm working with a client who makes videos in Thailand, and we're going to call this video "Before You Land in Thailand, Watch This or Regret It." Alright, so we're going to type that video table into our Airtable. And then let's go ahead and run our make automation that looked for the Airtable, created a prompt, and then now it's creating an image, and it's going to update our Airtable with that image. So it's super simple, guys. Create a row for a video title, one for a thumbnail prompt. So boom, we have the prompt right here that it created for us, and then now creating an attachment, and we're going to get our thumbnail. So let's see what we got here. Boom. Okay, so that's pretty hippie, but hey, just like that, easy. Boom. All right, then you can take that into Canva or whatever else that you'd like to do and add some stuff. So let's break this down real quick. First, you're going to watch that Airtable for the trigger field created, and it's going to be a video title, and limit to 1, because we're just doing one at a time. You can, if you have a bunch you want to pump out, then you can put more in there. The prompt that we're using here, GPT 4.1. The prompt is maybe you're a master expert artist, you make beautiful image, and then the user simply make a prompt for an image in DALL-E, right? And then put the video title in from your Airtable, and then we're just going to update the Airtable with the prompt itself, because I like to see the prompt, and then you can edit that and redo the image if you need to, or fine-tune your first prompt back here. And then we're just going to simply generate the image in DALL-E 3 with our prompt that was created in our first module, and then we're simply just going to update the Airtable with the image URL. Okay, super simple, guys. Subscribe for more.